Hello, Kathy.
Hey, Shelly. Shelly's on the other side of the camera because...
I love videos from this side.
Exactly. We are in blouse week, as you all know, and I mean, we could go into blouse year. I think we have so many blouses in the store. So today we are going to show you this lovely little lace overlay.
It is beautiful. That is a gorgeous top.
Great for Easter, ladies. It's got that nice spring look to it.
Look at how pretty it is.
It's got the burnout lace on it. So and then it's got a nice layer under, and this layer is a little silky, so it lays very, very nicely to the body. And then we also matched it up with this great little necklace, just kind of a fun, easygoing thing.
It's very
the long necklaces,
simplicity.
the long chains, very much so in. And I had to put a hobo purse along with it.
She looks gorgeous. What
does.
a pretty Easter
outfit. I don't
outfit.
know her name, but she looks amazing. She looks amazing. The hobo purses, of course, are all the top grade leather, and they're beautiful. Great little convenient pockets and things. Hobo's made by women, and they really know what we're looking for.
And they rock.
That they do. I love my hobos. I can't deny that. So come on in. We've got some nice spring blouses. Get yourself a new outfit for Easter, ladies. You're going to love it.
See you soon.